Hello. This video shows you how to import ideas from one map to another. This is very useful if you want to copy the results from one or more brainstorming sessions into a single map for everyone to see. Let's imagine we have an event where we have 3 breakout rooms and we want to copy the results from each breakout room to our main map. For this example, we'll be brainstorming favourite characteristics of cheese. In the breakout rooms, you'll see that the group has completed and voted for their favourite characteristics to propose to the whole group. On the results page, you can decide which ideas are shown by simply clicking down the drop-down menu on the Results tab and selecting Show Top 3 with Votes. This will then show us the top 3 results for this group. Now let's step out into the main workspace. Imagine the same has happened for breakout rooms 1 and 3. We now want to bring in the top results from all 3 breakout groups into the main map. To do so, go into the main map and click on the Brainstorm drop-down and select Import Ideas from another map. Click on the relevant workspace and map. Here, you can choose the step from which you want to import the ideas from and to. So we'll take the results from breakout room 2 and put it into the brainstorming step for the main group. If there was more than one column, you could also choose which columns you would want to map the new ideas into. In this case, we only have a single list. Click on Import. Great. You'll see now that the ideas have been copied across. Repeat the process with the other maps. Now that you have all the ideas imported, you can decide what you would like the whole group to do next. Thanks for watching. We hope you can use the importing feature to speed up your work.